Hi everyone. Welcome to English Word Hub. I'm so glad to have you here. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an English lesson with us. In this video, we are going to test your understanding of commonly confused and misused words in English. These are the words that look or sound similar but have totally different meanings, and even native speakers get them wrong sometimes. It's a fun and interactive way to learn the correct usage while testing your grammar and vocabulary skills. Without any delay, let's get started. She couldn't decide the dress was blue or green. A. Weather. B. Weather. C. Rather. D. Either. Please be when you're crossing the road. A. Conscious. B. Conscience. C. Cautious. D. Caution. The teacher asked them to their answers before submitting. A. Accept. B. Accept. C. Check. D. Revise. The manager asked him to give a brief of the project during the meeting. A. Overview. B. Overlook. C. Oversee. D. Preview. He lost his job due to a lack of in the workplace. A. Patience. B. Patience. C. Passion. D. Presence. She has a positive on everyone she meets. A. Affect. B. Effect. C. Impact. D. Influence. The students had to remain during the surprise inspection. A. Quiet. B. Quiet. C. Quit. D. Silent. You need to your voice, we can't hear you. A. Rise. B. Raise. C. Raise. D. Raise up. They walked the forest to reach the village. A. Through. B. Thorough. C. Through. D. Thought. He gave me some good about starting my own business. A. Advice. B. Advice. C. Suggestion. D. Ideas. Comment your answer. Let's see if you got this one right. Great job, everyone! You've just completed the commonly misused words quiz. How many did you get right? Let me know your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quiz and learned something new today, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to English Word Hub for more fun and useful English lessons. Remember, learning from mistakes is the best way to grow, and now you're one step closer to mastering English fluently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep practicing and keep shining.